Scene script. Have you ever wondered just how vast the universe truly is? Imagine, if you will, the Earth. We live on it, we walk its surface, and to us it feels pretty big, right? But in the grand scheme of the cosmos, our Earth is but a tiny speck. The universe is so expansive that it makes our planet seem like a mere grain of sand on an endless beach. Now, let's talk about galaxies. Astronomers estimate there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Each one of these galaxies, including our own Milky Way, is home to hundreds of billions of stars. To put that into perspective, that's more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Imagine that, each star potentially hosting a system of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. But how do we measure such vastness? Well, we use what's called a light year. It's not a measure of time, but a measure of distance. A light year is the distance that light, which moves at a speed of nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, travels in 1 year. That's about 9.5 trillion kilometers. When we say a star is so many light years away, we're saying that's how long the light we're seeing now took to get here. So looking at stars is like looking back in time. For instance, when we gaze at Proxima Centauri, the star closest to us after the Sun, we're seeing light that left there over 4 years ago. And the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest spiral galaxy neighbor, is an incredible 2.5 million light years away. So the light we see from it today actually started its journey when early humans were just beginning to make their mark on Earth. So it seems the universe is mind-bogglingly huge. But how do we fit into this enormity? Well, that's a question we'll delve into as we continue our cosmic journey. Buckle up, because the ride through the cosmos is going to be a thrilling one. To understand our place in the cosmos, we must first comprehend our own galaxy. Now, take a moment to consider the Milky Way, our home in the vast expanse of the universe. It's a sprawling galactic metropolis, teeming with around 200 billion stars, each with their own unique planetary systems, and us. We're located in one of its quieter suburbs, in a solar system on the Orion Arm, about 26,000 light-years away from the bustling city center that is the galactic core. Imagine our galaxy as a gigantic spinning disk, about 100,000 light-years across. If we were to scale this down, treating the whole Milky Way as if it were the size of a continent, our entire solar system would be smaller than a single grain of sand. That's how vast our galaxy is, and we're just a tiny part of it. Yet, despite our humble position, we've managed to explore only a minuscule portion of our own cosmic backyard. Even the farthest spacecraft from Earth, Voyager 1, has traveled less than a fraction of a percent of the distance across our galaxy. It's like stepping out of your house and proclaiming you've explored your entire neighborhood by just looking at your driveway. But don't let this belittle our achievements. The fact that we, as a species, have managed to send spacecrafts beyond our solar system to the very edge of the interstellar medium is an extraordinary testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. It's a reminder that we are explorers, pioneers, and adventurers at heart. So where does this leave us? Our galaxy is but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe, so what does this mean for our future in space exploration? With every star we observe, every planet we discover, and every mission we launch, we inch closer to answering that question. We may be small, but our dreams are as vast as the universe itself. Let's continue to reach for the stars, for in doing so, we not only explore the cosmos, but also ourselves. Given our current technology, the prospect of exploring even our own galaxy seems daunting, let alone the entire universe. We are at the beginning of an era where the mysteries of space are slowly being unveiled, and yet we are still in the infancy of our space exploration capabilities. To put things into perspective, let's talk about our current space travel technology. The most advanced spacecraft we have today is the Voyager 1, which was launched in the late 20th century. It's moving at the awe-inspiring speed of about 17 kilometers per second. However, even at this staggering speed, it would take Voyager more than 40,000 years to reach the nearest star system to us, Alpha Centauri, which is approximately 4 light-years away. This brings us to the concept of the speed of light, which is roughly 300,000 kilometers per second. It's the ultimate speed limit of the universe, and even at this speed it would take 4 years to reach Alpha Centauri. Now, imagine the time it would take to explore the Milky Way, our own galaxy, which is 100,000 light-years across. It's a journey that would take billions of years with our current technology. The distances in the universe are so vast that they are almost incomprehensible. Our current technology allows us to explore our own solar system, but the stars and galaxies beyond are currently out of reach. This doesn't mean we've given up, though. On the contrary, it fuels our curiosity and drives our ingenuity to develop new technologies for the future. So what does this mean for us and our place in the cosmos? Well, it highlights our current limitations, but it also emphasizes the potential for future exploration. There's a whole universe out there, waiting to be explored, and we are just at the beginning of our journey. With our current technology, it seems we are a long way off from exploring the vast reaches of our universe. But what about the future? The future of space travel lies in our ability to innovate and make breakthroughs in technology. This is a world where the word impossible is slowly being phased out as we continue to push the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. Imagine, if you will, a future where the concept of warp drives isn't merely confined to the pages of our favorite science fiction novels. These theoretical technologies, which could enable us to travel faster than the speed of light, may seem like a far-fetched reality today. However, consider the leaps and strides we have made in technological advancements over the past few decades. The idea of warp drives stems from the premise of bending or warping space-time. This would allow a spacecraft to cover vast distances in the blink of an eye. A journey to the nearest star system, which currently would take us about 4 light-years, could potentially be completed within weeks, days, or even hours. However, the road to such groundbreaking technology is fraught with challenges. The energy requirements for warp drives are currently beyond our capabilities. There are also the unknowns. What effect would faster-than-light travel have on the human body or on the spacecraft itself? These are questions that require answers before we can turn the concept of warp drives into a reality. Yet these challenges only serve to fuel our curiosity and drive for innovation. Each problem presents an opportunity for a solution, a chance for us to learn more about the universe and our place within it. The potential benefits of faster-than-light travel are immense. It opens up the possibility of exploring distant galaxies, discovering new worlds, and perhaps even meeting other forms of life. While the universe is vast and seemingly unreachable, the future holds the potential for us to become true space explorers. The cosmos, once a canvas of untapped potential and mystery, is gradually transforming into a frontier that we, as a species, are on the cusp of exploring. In this future, we are not just observers of the universe, but active participants in its endless unfolding story. In conclusion, the universe is incredibly vast, and our place within it is infinitesimally small. It's almost incomprehensible to fully grasp the magnitude of the cosmos. It's so vast that even the light from the nearest stars takes years to reach us. The sheer size of the universe truly underscores our tiny existence within it. We've explored our place within this cosmic expanse, from our home on the third rock from the Sun, within the Milky Way, to our position within the ever-expanding universe. We're but a tiny speck within the grand cosmic tapestry. It's humbling and awe-inspiring all at once. We also delved into the current state of space travel. We've come a long way since the first human-made object was launched into space over 7 decades ago. Since then, we've sent astronauts to the Moon, rovers to Mars, and probes beyond the boundaries of our solar system. These are significant milestones that showcase our technological prowess and our insatiable curiosity. But what about the future? What does it hold for us, the would-be space travelers? There's a lot of exciting potential. Propelled by advancements in technology and a renewed interest in space exploration, we could see humans setting foot on Mars within our lifetime. We could witness the birth of interstellar travel, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities. The future of space travel is not just about reaching new frontiers, it's about understanding our place in the universe, about pushing the boundaries of what we know and where we can go. It's about the human spirit, our curiosity, and our desire to explore and understand. While we may be small, our curiosity and drive to explore is limitless. So, keep looking up and dreaming about the stars, because who knows what the future holds for us, space travelers?